Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes Store, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So there are two fixes. So the very first way is that you have to try to check or verify your billing address of your Apple ID or from your App Store. Or the second way is that you have to try to contact with Apple support team. So let's try the first. You just have to simply open your App Store. Very first, you have to make sure that you have stable service network connection and you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then tap on the profile option at the top right, tap on Apple ID, and here you must have to enter your Apple ID password if prompted. So here you just tap on manage payments, and here you'll see your payment method and also your billing address. So you just have to make sure that you have a valid payment method and valid billing address is here. If you might see any errors, so just try to fix that. Or there's a second way, you just have to try to contact with Apple support team to get your help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select this More option, select App Store. You can also select iTunes Store if you want. Just wait for the loading, then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.